Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Yakshi. Let's start with today's top headlines. The NMC issues advisory after Kolkata incident. Here's what it said. Amid widespread outrage within the medical community, leading doctors and medical students to strike in protest against the tragic incident in Kolkata, where an on-duty PG medical student was reportedly brutally raped and murdered, the National Medical Commission has issued a statement and advisory. How many doctors are registered with Medical Council? Health Minister provides state and UT-wise breakdown in Parliament. According to data from the National Medical Commission, there are a total of 13,86,136 allopathic doctors practicing in India. With the highest number registered with the Maharashtra Medical Council, the Maharashtra Medical Council has 2,09,540 registered allopathic doctors, followed by 1,49,399 doctors with the Tamil Nadu Medical Council and 1,41,154 doctors with the Karnataka Medical Council. NIRF 2024 ranking for top medical colleges released. AIIMS retained top spot. The National Institutional Ranking Framework 2024 for medical colleges in India has been released by Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan. The rankings highlight the education standards, infrastructure, faculty and research facilities at these institutions. Kolkata doctor rape case, IMA chief meets JP Nadda, urges central legislation for doctor safety. In response to the recent brutal rape and murder of a PG respiratory medicine student at RG Kar Medical College and Hospital, a delegation from the Indian Medical Association met with Union Health Minister JP Nadda today to discuss concerns regarding doctor safety nationwide. During the meeting, a memorandum was presented requesting that hospitals nationwide be declared safe zones, the establishment of a central law against violence and the implementation of security requirements by the NMC for the recognition of medical colleges. Private hospitals in Kolkata are set to join the protest today over the RG Kar rape and murder case. The protest over the rape and murder case at RG Kar Medical College is extending to private hospitals across the city. Doctors at both government and private hospitals have been urged to boycott OPD services and non-emergency duties from 8 am to 4 pm on Wednesday. The call was made by the joint platform of doctors, which includes various doctor associations like the Indian Medical Associations, Bengal Chapter and West Bengal Doctors Forum. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogues. Stay tuned for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.